I hope you brought your sweet tooth, because this episode is about to get sweet. Sticky sweet. Hello, and welcome to a special National Maple Syrup Day here on Food Reviews. December 17th is the big day, and we're here to help you prepare by reviewing maple syrup. My fingers are sticky with anticipation. It's a little known fact, but most syrup is not actually maple syrup. A lot of the stuff you buy at the store or pour on your French toast sticks is not actually maple syrup, but an imitation made from corn syrup. No imitations for us, though. We blew our whole food budget for the month to buy this tiny bottle of the real stuff. And you should too. Maple syrup is known for its dark brown color and thick consistency. Ooh, this stuff is thick, guys. Check it out. This isn't just your average water or grape juice. This stuff is thick. In addition to being thick as heck, this stuff sticks to you. This is the kind of food that doesn't want to say goodbye, ever. It will stick to all of my fingers, not just my pointer. Enough of this finger testing. Let's get to the taste testing. It's taste time! Yeah, there's that signature smoky sweetness. It's not just straight sweetness like sugar. It has an earthy quality imparted from the maple tree that you just can't replicate. I'm gonna need another taste. Oh man, it's like my whole palm is made of candy. This is the most fun I've had eating in years. Those Canadians really know what they're doing with all of the maple syrup they eat. It's almost enough to make me move up there to live with the grizzly bears. This is the kind of food that's fun for the whole family. The next time you need a dessert, I'd suggest just pulling out a bottle of this stuff and going to town on it. Thanks for watching this episode of Food Reviews, and have a great National Maple Syrup Day. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to see all of the other foods we review. Here's a hint about one of them. It's pickles.
International Megadigital.